Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's Matt with Green Bar Trading, coming to you from the basement, where I just had to send the kids upstairs because they kept making way too much noise while I'm trying to record the video. So out you go, little young ones. So anyway, guys, this is a video I'm going to be making about AMC. I did some technical analysis on the daily chart that shows a very specific area that shorts might be trying to pile on so that the day traders and the holders and everybody else can maybe push through. But you guys need to know where these levels are. And that's where your technical trader comes in. So this is the technical analysis. And you can see in pre-market, we had such a nice run up approaching this level. Now, this is really key because guess what? I am not the only one that is looking at that. So right here in this box, if you were going to be shorting, this is your, so if I pull it back a little bit, you guys can see a little better. This is an ascending wedge. Now, let's look at it from a, whoop, not that one. Not that one. All right, so this is a little bit better. This gives you 20 days. It's ascending because you had price come down to the 37s and then the 39s around 40 here. And then obviously we all know making a high of 77. So what you do is you draw a trend line to something that hits 3 times. And that's what this is right here. This trend line hits 3 times, which means that you have millions of traders that are noticing this. This is where shorts get in. This is where longs take profit. So you obviously are going to have resistance right here in this box. And we kind of saw it in the pre-market just now. We saw a little bit of resistance. Now, that's totally normal. You might need a little bit more volume to break those shorts and then another leg higher. This is what I'm predicting because you have a technical setup here for a breakout. Now, let's see maybe where price decides to go here. Maybe it takes next week to break out of this. Maybe it does it today. But this is a technical pattern that you have millions of day traders that are looking at. So that's why you see some resistance up here right now in the pre-market, which is also why I'm just going to remove that, which is why I scalped it. Now, yes, I know I'm scalping shares for a small amount. I know that this is going to trigger some people that are holding and don't want anybody to be doing this, but, and I respect, you know, everybody doing that for the cause. I do, but that's not what I do. That's not what day traders in general do. They're going to be scalping this, taking the profits. And it is day traders that are also helping make these massive, massive moves to the upside. We're adding to all this volume. Now, if day traders were not interested in this, the volume bars would be down here, these little dots, and we would probably still be at, you know, $10 or $11 a share. That's, you know, that's why day traders, if you see an opportunity to make money, that's our job to do that. We're not thinking about certain causes and everything else. We're just here to make money. While I respect everybody's reasoning for doing anything, that's just what we're here for. So now, anyway, to the day traders that are wondering why I got out here, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger because maybe we can see better. So here, I started to notice, I mean, I do that all the time. That's frustrating. I started to notice that we were approaching that level. Actually, I want this to be higher. So we're approaching this trend line that I drew. Now it shows up on the 1 minute chart. There was a lot of resistance up here, and you can tell the volume profile here. This is a key indication of maybe when to sell. Okay. I got in at 46 right here. You see how this green candle? And then I saw no follow through here. The volume really dried up. Now, I wanted to see me get in on a candle like this and then the volume skyrocket. Instead, it didn't go anywhere, and that really scared me. And that's why on this big green candle, this is really a red candle. Now, the way Thinkorswim does it, just because it's colored green like this could be 3/4 red and just a quarter green buying, because you had price shoot up to all the way up to 4. Now this went quick. There might have been like just a couple of shares traded up here, and then it just tanked. So that's why before I saw that happen, I just got out of my position because I didn't want, the potential here of it going all the way back down. Obviously, and that's why. But you see things like this, and the volume dry up, and it's just like a clear indication, if you're watching level 2, to just get out of the shares and just look for another entry. Now this one, unfortunately, just broke through VWAP, which isn't the best sign. But going back to this chart here, we might not be ready yet to break through this trend line. It might take a little while, like I said. So anyway, guys, this is my technical analysis. This is why I was scalping it. I just want everybody to know what I'm doing in the pre-market, what I'm looking at in the pre-market, and these are just things I noticed that might help you guys in your own trading, because you want to be a technical trader as well as fundamental, because not all the time fundamental doesn't always make sense, to me anyway. Sometimes share prices just don't make valuation sense. So technical analysis, where other traders might be looking at, that makes more sense to me, and I like to trade off of these types of things. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and hit the thumbs up. We have new videos basically every single day. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great Friday and a good weekend. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.